Okay, today you're going to start The Trumpet of the Swan, Chapter 9. You're going to read that today with your buddy, and then next week you'll read Chapter 10. Okay, so today you're going to read Chapter 9, and then next week you'll be reading Chapter 10. So get out your yellow notebook and add the following title, Trumpet of the Swan Vocabulary, Chapters 9 and 10. So you'll be looking for these 4 vocabulary words as you read these 2 chapters. You can look at them with your buddy, look at the context to see how the word is used in the text. So here are your 4 words you want to add to your vocabulary, your reading notebook for vocabulary. Conduct, sacrificed, reveille, and inclined. So be looking for those in the text. Okay, also as you're reading chapter 9 today, be thinking about these questions. Number 1, what did the cob do when he saw a trumpet in the window? Number 2, how did Lewis show his appreciation, his thanks? Number 3, how will Sam and Lewis earn the money to pay for the stolen trumpet? Number 4, Lewis is very excited at the end of the chapter. Why? Number 5, what does Sam wonder about as he goes to sleep? Remember, he writes in his journal. So be thinking about these questions because after you read chapter 10, then you will need to put them into Google Classroom. Okay, today is Friday. This is what I would like you doing today during the LA time. Number 1, read chapter 9 with your reading buddy and think about the discussion questions that we just went over. Number 2, don't forget to find the vocabulary words, and with the evidence from the text, write a definition. I will be checking these when I return. Number 3, spend some time adding to your character pages in your yellow reading notebook. You can refer to your character traits list that I gave you before I left. Number 4, you can go to Reading Workshop. If you decide to read an epic today, please only choose books that are in the December Choices assignment. Just trying to keep you guys on task of reading books that are on your level. Okay, I will start talking to some of you guys next week, hopefully. Bye.